Hello and welcome to the last devlog to be put on YouTube in 2023. It's approximately 8 minutes left, at least in Central Time Zone, before 2024 starts. So I've been coding for the last like 2 hours trying to fix some bugs and stuff. Working on Hall Pass Hero, and you're gonna hear some fireworks in the background. This is gonna be super short, so don't worry, it's not gonna annoy you too much. All right, so I made it so that way we can now add students, newly created students, to our first rosters. So first off, we're going to create a roster. So go ahead and over here, click one. We're going to create a new roster. We're going to name it, I don't know, let's just call it home room. Okay. So now it checks if it exists. It does not exist, so it's going to create a one. So now if we view rosters, it shows all of them, roster, homeroom, etc. So go back to the main menu. So we've created a roster. Now let's add a student to the database. So let's name this student, I don't know, Franklin. Last name, Jones. Go ahead and click yes for that. And we're going to automatically generate an ID. ID generated. There we go. FR Jones 345. And I'm going to click yes there. And now, if previously when you did yes or no here, nothing would happen. But if you do yes now, just type in one or yes. We're going to go ahead and add it to homeroom. Okay. So now, if we go to pull this down here and look at our database, and we refresh this, we find homeroom, here's Franklin. So that's what I've been working on. It took a lot of effort. It was actually like multiple small bugs preventing me in multiple functions on the mostly on the back end, but a few on the front end. In the front end code that was really messing with me here. I was struggling to get this to work. Uh, for example, you can see all these like just quick typing names. Like it took me a while. Same here, like just letters. It turns out I was in my SQL code. I wasn't actually creating the columns yet, and I completely just ignored that. Excuse me. So yeah, there we go. We are now able to add students, fresh students once they're being created. The next step will be to be able to add them whenever we want, and as well as delete them, um, and delete individual rosters, as well as update student information. So that's what's going to be worked on here in 2024. I'm excited to be done with this probably within the next. I was hoping to be done with this like at least this first like phase of this project by like today, but I took a bit like a 3 week break and I wasn't doing any coding on this project. So hopefully, maybe towards the end of January I'll have version 0.1 ready to go, and then take a break from this and get back to my text adventure game or something new. But anyway, for anybody who watches this, Happy New Year to you. Stay safe. And best of luck to you in 2024. Peace.